Hi, I'm Jeremy with XTech Tactical. Today we're going to go over the X-Flare Magwell. Let's get into it. Our X-Flare Magwell comes in two different versions. The first one is going to be marked as 556, as you can see there. And the second one we call our digital matrix. You can mark your caliber, you can treat it like a vanity license plate, kind of have some fun with it. So you're going to get 6 digits you can color fill with your pen, paint pen of choice. Now let's jump into how it works and what it looks like on the rifle. Here is the 556 iteration on a mil-spec lower. This happens to be from a company called Tactical Life. You can see how well it fits on the receiver there. Rock solid, not going anywhere. Really one of the things we're most proud of is how many iterations we went through in prototyping where there is absolutely nothing to catch on anywhere on these surfaces. And all of the different ones we bought that other people manufacture, they were mainly 3D printed. There was some form of a catch point here. So we completely removed any catch point that's going to affect you as you go. And also these will work with a multitude of magazines. But it's really that simple. Weight-wise, 28.5 grams. So if you can handle that and you think our price is fair, then this is really a no-brainer to add to any mil-spec lower. We're going to show you now how it works with a bunch of different mags. Installation, simply take the front housing here, slide it on the magwell, take your rear housing, slide that on. Bolts are going to ship already in the rear housing, and then just tighten this to the point where you get a little resistance. And then I'm going to go over to this side, do the same thing. If you have a slight gap here, you want to put some pressure where you're not pulling on the brass inserts. But with a little bit of kind of back and forth here, we're going to get it really nice and seamless. Doesn't need to be crazy tight. We haven't used Loctite on any of the ones we've done here. You certainly can. But I would definitely encourage you to test fit it here. You can see now how well that fits. At initial launch, we already have the 556 marked version in 3 colors. You have the 556 in flat dark earth, gray, and black, and the digital matrix version that you can get creative with in black. Upcoming, we'll expand the line to have gray and FDE here, but also across the board, OD green and coyote. So pay attention for those. The more you buy, the more you save. Check us out. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment below. Let us know what else you want to see from us.